Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna unbox a Bajaj iron which I ordered from Amazon, and today I get it. As you can see, here is the packaging from Amazon and it's a plastic wrap. And so let's just cut this box and show you the iron, what the features, what the detail of this iron I will show you in this video. So we will cut this box from this side, and here is the packet. Okay, under this packet we got a nice box from Amazon, and here is the bill. First of all, I will show you the exact price what I paid for this iron. So I will show the bill of this product, and as you can see, here is the net price is 628 Indian rupees. As compared to the box price, we have a box price is 949 Indian rupees. But in this offer period, I will purchase this iron and I got in only 628 Indian rupees. So it's a nice deal from Amazon, and I got a very nice offer from Amazon. So here is the physical overview of the box. In this front side we got a Bajaj branding, and here is the model. As you can see, Bajaj DX7, and its watts is 1000 watts, and here is the 2 years of warranty of this iron. And as you can see, here is the very nice picture of this iron. And from this side we got something barcodes and some features of this iron. There is the lightweight iron. Model number is Bajaj DX7, item code, and something like this. Manufacturing date is July 2017, and the price is, as always mentioned in the box, 949 Indian rupees. And from this side something model and specifications. And from this side we have a Hindi language. So in the box we did not get anything more, so let's just cut this box. And here is the not a very nice packaging from Amazon. I did not expect about this. The packaging is very bad, but there is no seal pack. Okay, the packaging is really very bad from Amazon. I did not appreciate it. And from the box we got a iron in. Okay, in this box we got something more. Okay, I will show you exact what I got in this box. Here is some user manuals. Okay, it's not a user manual, it's like a Bajaj products iron. Okay, and something, okay, yeah, something like user manuals, how it's work in both language, English or Hindi, as always. So I will show the exact here is the warranty card, the 2 years warranty, but I did not know how to claim the warranty, but it's a 2-year warranty card from Bajaj iron. Okay, and here is something like product name. Okay, and something barcodes. Okay, let's come to the product. We have a iron under paper wrap it comes, and here is something protective things, and I will just open this plastic wrap. Okay, now I cut all the plastic wrap from this iron, and let's give you the physical overview of this product. What the iron have in this in hand, it's a very lightweight, so it's a very nice to use in regular use. And I will give you the physical overview. Just like here is the branding of Bajaj. As you can see here, the branding and something like Bajaj originality sticker. And here is something model about this Bajaj. Yeah, it's a model made in India. And from this side we have got a light. So something here is a green and red light as mentioned, but I did not know how to use of this light. I think if it's really very warm, then it's red, and I think it's light warm maybe it's green. So I will give the separate video about this, how it's work, the lights. Okay, and here is something manuals like this wool, silk, cotton, and many more, so you can use about your comfort. And from the back side we got American heritage and it's a gold plated. Yeah, it's a very nice, and it's a gold plated. Its a feature is did not stick in your clothes, so it's a non-stick wire, so you can freely use in any heat of this wire, so you can use it very easily. And from the last we talk about the wires length. So its length is very nice, as you can see, and here is something coated of wire is like a very nice material. So overall the iron looks very nice. If you want to buy this product, I will give the separated link in the description below. You can buy it from this side, and overall the iron is very nice, very value for money. So this is my unboxing of today. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for